Okay, hello once again sa ating integral by trigonometric substitution session. We're now down to our last case, which is the case number 3. So sa case number 3, we will use case number 3 if you see an expression inside the radical sign in the form of x squared minus a squared. It is in the form of difference of two squares in which known ang variable at sinundan siya ng constant. Okay, as you can see here, I have here this expression for x squared minus 9 inside the radical sign. So, in that case, case number 3 ang ating gagamitin. Okay, so now, ang gagamitin na natin substitution ay x is equal to a secant theta. Okay, ang ating x dyan would be our variable and ang a natin would be our constant. So, to get the x, square root natin ang 4x squared, that is 2x. Okay, is equal to a. Ang a natin is square root of 9, which is 3. So, meaning to say, that will become 2x is equal to 3 secant theta. And from here, divide natin both sides by 2 to get the value of x. Kasi kailangan natin siya doon. Okay, so 3 secant theta over 2. And let us get the derivative of that para naman dun sa ating dx. Okay, so we have dx is equal to 3 halves. The derivative of secant theta is secant theta tan theta d theta. And let's substitute everything. So ang ating magiging bagong integral would be dxi. Pwede natin itaas natin yan. So dx times 1 is dx. So ibig sabihin ang dx natin is 3 halves secant theta tan theta d theta all over x natin is 3 halves secant theta square root of 4 times x natin is 3 halves secant theta naka-square pa, meaning that will be 9 over 4 secant square theta minus 9. Okay, so let's do cancellation. Cancel, and then sa inside the radical sign, pwede natin i-cancel ang 4. So the remaining function would be tangent theta d theta all over the square root of 9 secant square theta minus 9. And as you can see, this is ating denominator inside the radical sign, pwede natin i-factor out ang 9. So, tangent theta d theta all over the square root of 9 times secant square theta minus 1. So, ba't ang ginawa yun? Para magkaroon tayo ng identity. Para masipa natin palabas lahat yan to square root. Okay? So, we have tangent theta d theta all over the square root of magiging 9 tangent square theta. So, square root nun, we have 3 tan theta. Okay, so ang ating magiging remaining function would be the integral of tangent theta d theta all over 3 tan theta. Cancel natin ang tangent. So, meaning to say, ilabas natin si 1/3. Ang matitira is 1/3 integral of d theta. So, integral of d theta is theta. So, meaning to say, 1/3 theta ang ating answer. So, hindi pa tayo tapos dyan kasi ito ay naka-theta pa. So, ibalik natin sa x variable. So, ang kukunin natin ay itong 2x is equal to 3 secant. Okay? So, 2x is equal to 3 secant theta. Divide natin the whole expression by 3 para maging secant theta is equal to 2x over 3. So, to get the theta, diba, ang theta natin is, ibaba lang natin yung secant. Ang ating theta would be 1/3 arc secant. So, we have arc secant 2x over 3 plus c. So that will be our final answer. Okay, thank you.